How to warm up your TikTok account. Well, the first step is to create an account. Once you have made an account, you need to prove you're not a bot by going to your email that you used to sign up with. It should look something like this. When you have done that, you need to go back to TikTok and go to the search bar and search up your niche. If you don't know what niche to pick, I have a free Discord with lots of different niches you can try out. The link will be in my bio and description of this video. Once you have searched for your niche, you're going to want to scroll through videos in your niche and occasionally like, save, comment, and repost some of them. Do this for about 15 minutes. Once you're done, get off TikTok for 30 seconds and then go back on. Your FYP should have videos related to your niche. If it doesn't, then go back to the search bar and repeat the process. If that still doesn't work, consider joining my free Discord and I will help you. If your niche is on your FYP, then scroll through the videos, like, save, comment, and repost some for about 15 minutes. Then you can also check if you can follow some people, if you can then get off TikTok, and if not, also get off TikTok. Now, you are going to want to do this every 3 to 8 hours for about 2 days. Maybe 3. Now, once you have done all this, your account is officially warmed up. If your account did not warm up properly, then join my Discord and message me, and I will help you as soon as possible.